What's going on, Phantom Operatives? It's your man, Believes. I'm here to talk to you today about what's going on in the background on Phantom. And I know what some of you are asking right now. Where's the communication? Well, communication is actually coming, and you can see that there is a little bit. But first, we're going to talk about the price action. There really hasn't been much price action. The only thing that we've seen is a little bit of downward pressure. Every once in a while, you see a few buys and sells. But generally speaking, we're looking at some downward sort of pressure that's coming in and out. And there's really nothing that I can help or that any of us can really help with to try to move and create an upward sort of price momentum on it because the product's not ready. Product's not ready. And this Ethereum market is bleeding right now. We're at $1,671 on Ethereum, 2207 with 4 zeros on the Phantom project. But here's the thing. The money's collected. We have the money to create a working prototype and a functioning product, and that's what the entire focus on. Part of that, however, comes from presentation. So let's go look over here on Twitter, and you can see right here that we just had a conversation a couple days ago, and it says this: new wireframes for website will be presented to us next week from the tech company. A more professional web page is a necessity for current and future investors of Phantom. The work never stops, and this is the quietness before the storm, and we continue to work hard for you. So what you're seeing right here, just having a little bit of a reach out, telling you right now that this is what's going on. The website's being worked on. It's being upgraded. Guys, you can come over here and you can see the website. With apologies, I have reconfigured my computer. So everything I have is kind of new again. So you're not going to see, I'm not logged into anything. I can show you over here the staking mechanism. This is what really matters to you, the investor, right now, is staking. So you're going to come up here, you're going to attach your wallet. Then you're going to come to, like, for example, I've got my stake in here. I've got 103 million. I've got it staked here for 6 months. Phantom earned so far, I've earned, it looks like 1 million Phantom so far off of this in just a couple of days. And by the way, I did a 30-day staking to begin with, and then moved it over here to the 6-month staking because I don't think the product comes out until sometime around November. And that being the case, you might as well accumulate a little bit because listen, if the price action goes back to where we were just at launch, remember, there was a lot of Ethereum in there at the launch, but not a tremendous amount. Like, we're not talking about huge amounts here. We're talking about a $5 million market cap. Like, we're not talking about that much. So once this product is launched and you kind of see and you take a look around, and I don't know where you guys fall on a political spectrum or anything, and I don't want to get into politics with you, but I do want to say that there were a number of Twitter or information competitors that came up over the last little while. And there are things like Truth Social, there's Gab, there's Parler, there's a multitude of different communication hubs, and each one of those hubs is worth millions upon millions of dollars. Even if they don't generate huge amounts, they're still worth millions of dollars. And they do not have, other than Twitter, they do not have what Phantom intends to have. Phantom intends to have crypto investors. So the value of the Phantom project is in providing a place for people to go, just like Telegram, but with a Twitter appeal to get people into this thing, to get people looking around, and to provide you with a safe place for you to conduct business. Decentralized, anonymous, can't be hacked. That's what we're looking for. That's what you're looking for. That's what the DeFi space is all about. And that's what the Phantom project represents. So I know that we all want a gigantic move, but sometimes that gigantic move just isn't there. But what is there right now, hopefully for you, is a little bit of patience, because that patience is going to go a long way. Because when this starts to move, and it will start to move, by the way, in closing, I should point out that we've already talked to the largest marketing firm in the country for cryptocurrency. And when I say that big things are going to happen with the Phantom Project, big things are going to happen with the Phantom Project. Remember, there was a lot of Ethereum taken at launch. There's a lot of Ethereum sitting there that's launching this product. There's a lot of power behind this project. Just because you don't see it today doesn't mean it's not there. But what it does mean is that you, the faithful, you guys are going to reap the reward for it. And I'm not just saying that because I'm an investor. I am an investor. I'm saying that because I've been in the meetings. I know what's going on. I've seen some of the prototype, and I'm really excited about what I see. So in closing, guys, have faith, and this thing is going to blow up. This is not financial advice. My name's Believes, and I'm always right.
I'm looking for the good life.